If you're looking to save time and streamline your proposal creation process, using pre-built proposal templates is one of the easiest ways to get things done faster without sacrificing quality. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use pre-built proposal templates to save time and effort so you can focus on what really matters in your business. Let's get started. First off, a pre-built proposal template is basically a ready-to-go framework that already includes all the key sections, such as an introduction, scope of work, pricing, and terms, so you don't have to start from scratch. This is a major time saver, especially when you're creating multiple proposals for clients or projects. To begin, you need to choose the right template. There are plenty of options out there, but the key is finding one that fits the type of work you do. Whether it's a general proposal or something specific to your industry, choose a template that aligns with your needs. Once you've found it, the software we'll be using today makes it super easy to load and customize your template in just a few clicks. All the heavy lifting is done for you. Now, once you open up the template, the first thing you'll see is that most sections are already filled in with placeholder text. Your job is to replace that with your unique details. For example, in the scope of work section, you'll add the specifics of what you're offering, like the tasks, timeline, and expected outcomes. This takes just minutes, and you're already halfway done with the proposal. Next, don't forget to personalize the proposal with your branding. This is important because you want the proposal to look professional and match your company's image. With the pre-built templates, this is super simple to do. You just upload your logo, tweak the colors, and adjust the fonts. This small step can really elevate the proposal's look without needing to hire a designer. Then, let's talk pricing. A big benefit of using pre-built proposal templates is that many of them have pricing tables included, which means you don't have to worry about formatting them yourself. You can just plug in your pricing structure and any discounts you're offering. Plus, the template will automatically update if you make changes to the numbers. Once everything's set, it's time to save and send. Many proposal tools integrate with e-signature features, allowing you to send proposals and have them signed right away. This cuts down on the back and forth and speeds up the process even more. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that the software we use today has an exclusive free trial just for my viewers. If you want to follow along and try it out yourself, you'll find the link to the free trial in the description below. It's a great way to start streamlining your proposal process right away. Key takeaway: using pre-built proposal templates is a game changer when it comes to saving time. By selecting the right template, personalizing it with your branding, and filling in the details, you can create professional proposals quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial below to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on how to save time and grow your business.